Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. What do you think will happen when dancehall and math are combined? Well, we'll soon find out, as some of the big names in dancehall like Beenie Man will be putting their voices to tunes focused on mathematics. The aim is to help students master concepts like multiplication tables. It is the brainchild of Science Genius Jamaica, which is a US-based initiative that uses music to educate and generate interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in Jamaica.
In a dancehall style, when you know your timetable, yes, you will be able to calculate and count any amount. Hey, 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18, when the school bell ring 1 straight in. 9 threes 27 and 9 fours 36. Watch this, yeah, this a dancehall. Mathematics, 9 fives 45.
It's been decades since Marcia Griffiths and Bunny Wailer's Electric Boogie was released, and the hit continues its dominance on the local and international scene. In the Marvel Studios' latest series, She-Hulk, the electric slide is featured in one of the scenes in episode 6.
We got a wedding fight! It's electric!
She-Hulk, which premiered on August 18 this year, consists of 9 media platform. TikTok could be fined £27 million after an investigation found that the company may have breached the UK's child protection laws. The investigation was conducted by the Information Commissioner's Office. According to reports, TikTok processed data of underage children without parental consent from 2018 to 2020. TikTok has 30 days to respond to the claims. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.